It's okay, but I can remove my fear here. Thank you. Giving me 2 and 3 minutes, or maybe more. I would like to speak on tourism. Everybody likes to travel. Yeah, that's right. We want to travel. So, what is the tourism? Tourism comprises with two words: travel and accommodations. Accommodations like flights, car rents, transports, hotels, and etc. Why do we travel? We travel for pleasure. We travel for happiness. We travel for finding something special in our life. Now, I just want to light on some travel things. If somebody travels in another country, what happens? Like just assume that one foreigner is coming in our country, so what will happen? He comes, then foreign exchange comes. Do you know foreign exchange?
Yeah.
The other money from other country. If he comes with a foreign exchange, then we earns foreign exchange. And with the foreign exchange, we import goods from different countries. And if we are dealing with a different country, so we need foreign exchange. And it really helps to buy something from another country. Next thing is it develops the infrastructure. Just think about Bangkok, Thailand. Thailand is in Bangkok. Yeah, Bangkok is in Thailand. Confusion. Just think about Thailand. Yeah. Thailand was a very poor country. Very poor country. Now it's famous for Thai massage and something else. But it is being developed. People are going there. It doesn't mean that they are going for something else. They are finding pleasure there. It's okay. Just choose any country and read their history, and you will find that the tourism played a very important role to develop that country. It's a fact. I know it. I'm doing travel. And what are the other impact of tourism? Like it creates the jobs. When somebody comes, then what happens? He comes by the air, then airline earns. If he comes out from the airport, then transport earns, like cars, buses, and etc. If he stays in a hotel, then hotels earns. And if he goes out to buy something, then we earn. So travel increases jobs. And it is also good for creating relationship between the countries. Like if my country is Uganda, no? Like India and Sri Lanka. If we are traveling in between our country, so what will happen? Our relationship will be improved. I was thinking when I was in the class and my ma'am was teaching me the relationship between the countries. And I just imagined that why don't we have the good relationship between Pakistan? Because we don't travel. That's the main thing. We think, oh my God, if I travel, somebody will kill us. So there are only tribes there. But if we travel, then we can make the good relationship with the countries. So these are my points, and I hope that you liked it. Thank you so much. But